Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to write a Java program to print a Fibonacci series. So before moving ahead, let me quickly show you how we write a Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series in case you don't know. Okay. So as you can see on my screen, Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers where first and second number is 0 and 1, and further we can find the next number by adding its two preceding numbers. You can see here in this example, first number is 0, second is 1, and third number is the sum of first and second numbers. Similarly, the next number 2 is the sum of its two preceding numbers, like 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, and so on. So this is how we can find this series till n number of times. So as you know what is Fibonacci series now, so let's jump on to the next, Eclipse, to write Java program. I prefer Eclipse IDE. You can use any which you like. I have opened Eclipse IDE. Let me create a Java class. I will give it a name as Fibonacci and create one method which will give us Fibonacci series void print Fibonacci. You can take any name and it will accept one integer parameter named as count. Okay. So this count decides how many numbers in the series we have to find or print. So before this we have to take three parameters or three variables. By you can take any name like n1, n2 and n3. Now we know values of n1 and n2 will always be 0 and 1 because these n1 and n2 are first and second variable. So the first time n1 and n2 would be 0 and 1. So we can initialize it as 0 and 1. And n3 that we have to calculate every time. Then that would be the next number. And we know the next number that we have to calculate will always be the sum of its two preceding numbers. So n3 equal to n1 plus n2. Now that we have got the third number, so we can move the value of n2 to n1. So n1 equals to n2 and n2 equals to n3. Values of n3 to n2 we have moved so that we can find out the sum of next two numbers now, and so on till the count gets 0. So before this we have to take one condition, that if count is greater than 0. Okay. So every time we will call the same function which is called recursion method. So we are writing this program by using the recursion method. So recursion means calling the method or any function repeatedly, or it calls itself again and again. We will provide this count parameter by decrementing one value every time. Okay. So here we will print the values of n3, and just for the separation with other numbers we can give here space and then call again the same method Fibonacci with count. And before passing this count as parameter we have to decrement it by 1. Okay, that's easy, right? So let's create one more method, public static void main, through which we can call print Fibonacci method. Okay, so first of all here we have to take one variable like count, like any number you can give, whatever number you have to find this series. Okay, So I will create here object of Fibonacci class fp equals to new Fibonacci, and then first of all we have to print n1 and n2, because this we have to print one time only, so we can print it here in the main function but not here. Okay, so take fp dot n1 plus we can give space here and then fp dot n2. After printing first and second variable, let's call print Fibonacci number. Okay, so we have two numbers already there, so this count should start from count minus 2, because we already have first and second number, so it will start with the third one. Okay, so n1 plus n2 equals to n3. This is how we calculate every time, first and second number, then second and third number, then third and fourth number, and so on. We will adding up. Okay, let's run this program now. Run as Java application. Okay, so we have got 0, 1, first and second number, then the other numbers we got by calculating. We can remove ln here so that not to print in the next line. Run as. Okay, so this is the output. We have given count as 10, so these are the 10 numbers from 0 to 34. Now here you can take any number, like 5 is the sum of its two preceding numbers. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. You can take 21 as sum of 8 plus 13. 21 plus 13 equals to 34. So you can take any numbers here, like you can take 15 and trying to print it. Let's see. So here we can take any number of count and it will print all the numbers in the output. So this is Fibonacci series. Guys, you can find other similar Java programs in this playlist I have uploaded, which are the most commonly asked programs in interviews. If you gain some knowledge and like this video, please do subscribe my channel Java Galaxy for all videos related to Java. Thank you very much for watching.